very much for joining us. We now move over once again. The main Taiwan and US trade representatives met in South Korea for trade negotiations, according to the island's Vice Premier Cheng Li-chiang. Taiwan is optimistic that further talks would lead to reduced US tariffs on Taiwan exports. The Vice Premier said that Chief Taiwan negotiator Jenny Yang reported good bilateral talks in which both sides shared expectations of future Taiwan-US economic cooperation and continued talks ahead. Taiwan's government also confirmed in a statement that Yang met with US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation's trade meeting. The chief trade negotiator has said that Taiwan is confident it can reach trade balance by increasing purchases from the US, and added that the US is now the top overseas investment destination for the Taiwanese. Taiwan was facing US import tariffs of 32% on its products under US President Donald Trump's new tariff policies, before Trump paused the plan last month for 90 days. Taiwan has since begun tariff talks with Washington, promising to purchase more US goods and invest more in America to achieve more balanced trade. Now let's move to South Asia, where India has called on the International Monetary Fund to reconsider its $1 billion assistance package to Pakistan, warning that the money could be diverted to fund terrorism. India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh made the statement while addressing airmen at the Bhuj Air Force Station, one of the targets in last week's military exchange between the two countries. Singh strongly opposed any IMF funds reaching Islamabad, saying any financial help to Pakistan is nothing less than terror funding. He added that India, as a contributor to the IMF, does not want its money to be misused for creating terror infrastructure. His visit to Gujarat came a day after touring security posts in Jammu and Kashmir, where he praised the success of Operation Sindoor and reaffirmed India's zero-tolerance policy towards cross-border terrorism. Now over to Europe. In a major diplomatic development, France is taking Iran to the International Court of Justice, accusing it of violating consular rights and holding two French citizens as state hostages. Serkil Kola and a teacher and her partner, Jacques Paris, were arrested in May of 2022 during a tourist visit and have been jailed since on disputed spying charges. France says they are being detained in inhumane conditions amounting to torture. The case highlights what several European nations see as a pattern of Iran using foreign detainees as political leverage amid heightened tensions over its nuclear program. Kola and Paris are the last known French nationals imprisoned in Iran after other recent releases. Their families and the French government continue to press for their immediate release as diplomatic pressure on Tehran intensifies. We move on once again. The